In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a PDF on Gumroad. We'll go through the setup process from creating the product to uploading your file and publishing it. So by the end, your PDF will be ready for customers to purchase. Start by going to your Gumroad dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Products. This is where all of your existing items live, and it's also where you'll create a new one. Next, click on New Product. This opens the product creation page where you'll begin entering the basic details for the PDF you want to sell. In the product name field, type the name of your PDF. Choose a title that clearly tells buyers what they're getting, since this will be one of the first things people see on your product page. After that, click on Digital Product. Since you're selling a PDF file, this is the correct product type. It tells Gumroad that your customers will receive a downloadable digital item rather than a physical product. Now open the price drop-down menu. From there, click the currency you want to use. Make sure you select the one that fits your audience or your preferred payment setup. Once the currency is selected, set your price in the price field. Keep in mind that your price should reflect the value of the content while still feeling reasonable for your target customer. When that's done, click on Next Customize. This takes you to the section where you can add more information to help present your product properly. In the description area, type in your product description. This is where you explain what the PDF includes, who it's for, and what problem it helps solve. A clear and helpful description can make a big difference, so aim to be specific and easy to understand. Once your description is ready, click on Save and Continue. That moves you to the content section where you'll upload the actual PDF file your customers will receive. Now, click on Upload Your Files. Gumroad will ask where you want to upload the file from. Choose the location where your PDF is stored, then browse to the correct file, select your PDF product file, and click Open. After that, wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the size of your PDF and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to let the upload finish fully before moving on. Finally, click on Publish and Continue. At this point, your PDF product is published and ready to be sold on Gumroad. Once it's live, you can start sharing your product link and sending traffic to your new listing.